Ghosts. Are they real? Is it just our layer of reality overlapping with another? Am I ever going to go back to releasing videos on a normal schedule? The answer to all three of those questions are, but we'll be testing at least one of those today. I'm going to be using science to build 3 pieces of ghost hunting gear, and then we're going to test them in a haunted place. Now I know most of you don't care about the build process, so here's a 6-second build montage. I designed and printed the cases, stole a bunch of Arduino code, put it all together. So here they are. This one detects EMF. EMF stands for electromagnetic frequency. Everything on Earth gives off electromagnetic frequency, but it's said that the spirits give off more EMF than us. The antenna detects the EMF. The stronger the EMF, the more LED lights will light up. When all 7 light, the piezo speaker on the bottom will beep, like this. This one is a combination temperature sensor and talk box. It's also called, if you're feeling frisky, a spirit box. The temperature supposedly drops when spirits are present, hence the sensor. The spirit box cycles through FM frequencies quickly and supposedly allows spirits to talk to us. Like this. Should people subscribe to me?
Yes. Yes, they should.
Anyway, that's enough talk. Let's go test it out. Let me know down in the comments if you see or hear anything that I missed. All right, so let's test this out. I guess right now, as you can see, temperature is fluctuating between 51 and 52. So let's ask some questions. Is there anybody here? Help if I turned it on. Is there anybody here? Is there anybody here? There are a lot of dead people here. Is there anybody around? Is there anybody around? I've noticed that my meter has not gone off at all. It is on, and it is working. So I guess, let's try and address one by name. Are you here? Nothing is going off. So the EMF has not gone off at all, except when I touch the antenna. It has not gone off a single time. The temperature did drop like a degree, but it's also very cold, and I don't know. So here, let's try another person. Are you here? Is there anyone around that has something that they would like to say? All right, so do ghosts exist? I don't know. What was that?